10 signs that your phone has been hacked. Is your phone behaving unexpectedly? Today, we're diving into the alarming signs that could indicate your phone has been hacked. What is phone hacking? First, let's understand what phone hacking is. Phone hacking refers to the unauthorized access of your smartphone, its communications, or data. Cybercriminals can steal personal information, listen to conversations, and more. They often employ methods such as phishing, tracking software, or insecure Wi-Fi networks. Why are phones a target? Phones are prime targets for hackers. Why? They store a treasure trove of personal information. From emails and contacts to banking details and login credentials, hackers can misuse this data for identity theft or even sell it on the dark web. This makes awareness crucial. Signs your phone might be hacked. 1. Unexplained data usage. Pay attention to your data usage. If you notice spikes in data consumption that you didn't initiate, it could be a sign of hacking. 2. Strange text messages. Receiving odd texts with strange characters or unsolicited messages. This is a common way hackers try to implant malicious software. 3. Apps you didn't download. Keep an eye out for apps you didn't install. If new apps appear on your phone, especially ones you don't remember downloading, remove them immediately. 4. Battery drain. While battery drain can result from heavy usage or old age, rapid battery depletion might mean your phone is under attack, as malware can lead to excessive resource usage. 5. Slow performance. If your phone starts lagging, freezing, or crashing frequently, hackers might be using your device without your knowledge, affecting its performance. 6. Unusual pop-ups. Frequent pop-ups, especially ones urging you to download something, are often red flags for malware. Avoid clicking on these and consider running a security scan. 7. Overheating. Does your phone feel warm even when you're not using it? This might indicate malicious software working in the background. 8. Changes in account settings. Notice any strange changes to your account settings? If your passwords are altered or your security questions have been changed, act fast. 9. Unfamiliar activity. Check your account statements for any unauthorized transactions or unfamiliar activity. This could reveal that your financial details have been compromised. 10. Your phone rings but no one is there. This classic sign often indicates that your calls might be intercepted. If you receive strange calls where no one speaks, it's time to investigate further. What to do if you suspect a hack? If you suspect that your phone has been hacked, don't panic. Firstly, disconnect from the internet, both Wi-Fi and cellular. Then, run a security scan using reliable antivirus software. Change your passwords immediately, and consider a factory reset to wipe out any lingering threats. Prevention is key. To protect your phone from hacking in the future, keep your software updated, use strong, unique passwords, and be cautious when connecting to public Wi-Fi. Regularly monitor your accounts for suspicious activity, and be wary of unsolicited messages or calls. Conclusion. In a world where our phones hold so much personal information, being vigilant is our best defense. Knowing the signs and having preventative measures in place can keep your data safe from prying eyes. Stay informed, stay safe. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.